morning, everyone. Our topic for group discussion today is: should organ donation be made compulsory? Donation is the giving of an organ or a tissue to someone who is in need of a transplant. Organ transplantation is one of the great advances in modern medicine. Unfortunately, the need for organ donors is much greater than the number of people who actually donate. People of all ages can be potential donors. In my opinion, organ donation should be there, but it should not be mandatory. It's a choice. Is it really a duty to donate organs to people in need when we no longer have use of them? Perhaps not. People are sentimental and they may not be comfortable doing this. We should not force anything on people. As much as I value organ donation, I feel that it should be there, but it should not be mandatory.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am. Many people are in need of organ replacement surgeries to survive. Lack of strong policies to make organ donation leads to a death of over lakh people in India. India's population is so large, but still there are only 0.8% of India's population who donate. My stance on this topic is that donation means to give someone something willingly, not forcingly. So, forcing someone to be an organ donor is not ethical. It's their consent should be respected, and it's their body, and they should get freedom to choose what happens to their body.
But what about to from for those who don't want to live anymore, and you are providing they just want to live for their family, something like this, and if fine, what if they are suffering from any depression kind and they don't want to live, and
I
still
India,
everyone
completely
forces them
disagree
to.
with you. Organ donation should be there, but it should not be made compulsory. People are sentimental and they may not be always comfortable doing this.
India
I
is a
agree with
democratic
you.
country. India is a democratic
And
country, and all the people have their rights to it- have their right and have their decision on their organs.
I totally agree with you. I believe that there are various places in India and religions where people believe that that death is a very sentimental thing. It is a very painful thing for various religions. So it would feel really harsh if a body is operated right after dying. So it can hurt the sentiments of various people.
I
Yes,
completely
I
agree.
agree with
And
you.
Disagree with you.
Why
One thing that
can't
helps
we compare
everyone.
organ donation with organ trafficking?
But in
Sure.
India there
I differ with
but
you
in
as
India
according to the religious books of all the religions, the organ donation after death is completely ethical, and they all say that it should be encouraged.
but
I
organ
completely
donation is
agree
a
with
choice.
you
Yes,
But
because
organ
yes,
organ
it should
donation
be
is a game that
encouraged.
helps everyone or
but
each
in
donor.
India there is a shortage of organ. Many people need organ to ensure that no one dies due to organ
but still
scarcity.
organ
In
don-
India,
but
there is
Yeah,
but
it's
still organ
completely
donation is a choice. Is it really a duty to donate organs to people in need
Yes,
when we no longer have any use of them? It is not
But
a
yes.
duty.
many people do not want that their organ
everyone.
to be
It is a
transplanted.
game that helps
The people who
everyone.
want to be
Don't want to
organ
live.
donors can be organ donors, but it is not, it should not be compulsory. The people who want to be organ donors may be organ donors, there is no
And
problem.
one
But
thing
why
more,
do
the
you say
organ
that it
should be
has to make
donated to those who just want to live, not to those who don't have anything or they don't have any
How can you
feeling to
say
live.
that the organ can save a life of a person?
and also
Why?
I would
Can
like
you
to
live without a heart?
The
Can you live
For
without
medical
a heart?
and
medical
donation,
and the
sources claim
transplants
that one
always
organ
have
donor
so
can
many
save 8 lives.
complications.
I
for
completely
one organ
I
disagree
donation,
completely agree
there are
with
because
my
it is
safeguards.
a
Organ
game that
donation.
helps everyone. Quotation. I completely disagree because organ donation is a game that helps everyone. Each donor can potentially save 8 lives, and as my friend said, that it is democracy. In democracy, also many rules are there, many laws are there. People have to respect them and follow them. And as my friend said, why it is a duty? Can you think of the pain of a mother whose child is dying in front of her? Just imagine the happiness you can give in their family, not in just one's life. By giving your one organ, it can help someone to see the
but
beautiful
i
world.
but
It can
I would
help
like
yes,
we
are
are
not
not
checking
against
the
of
bus.
organ
contradictory
donation.
point
Yes,
here
lowest
that
We
every
participation
transplant
of
is
the
not
world of
successful.
0.26%.
see, we
Every
are not
Society,
transplant
against
can
but
be
but
organ
you should
donation.
know
We are
that the
95% of
against
the
donation
the
is
surgeries.
compulsion
considered.
of organ donation.
But you
Society
should know
give us
that the
so much
donation is
services since
considered
birth.
only after
Age,
the
if the
donating
person
patient
becomes
has
old,
died.
then it should be made compulsory.
I
Society has
completely
given
agree with
so
you
much to
because,
us
as my friend
that
said,
in US
If the
in
I
person does not
2019,
completely
agree
agree
12
with
with
lakh
you,
you.
people
it
were
should be made
waiting for life-saving others transport, but only 74,896 were active candidates out of 12 lakh people.
And
But the
transplant
donation is
cases have a
considered
whole
only
lot of
after the dead
complications.
donating patient has died. They are only given to complete the care of prior of that.
I completely
What
agree
about
with
the
you.
complications
Society
that
give us
come
so
along with
much since
transplant?
birth. It is our responsibility to give back to the society. Organ donation is one of the easiest way to do so. Dead bodies do not feel pain. So what is the
It is
thing of not?
related to society. Yes.
all
It is
about
Yeah,
related to the
people
yeah,
I
I
society.
getting
completely
completely
died
agree with you.
agree with
because
you.
they have no, because their organs
Hmm.
stop working. About 22 people in India die every day.
My
I
friend said
completely
that
agree
there is
with
a
you. Please
shortage of
let me complete
organs
my
in
thought.
India, but there is shortage of lot of things in India. We cannot
But
impose
if it,
someone to donate their organs without their
As much
consent.
as
We
I
always talk about freedom of speech and expression.
I
Don't
completely
people have
disagree.
freedom of
Okay, so you want that the organs are right. They can be transplanted. So what is the need of not allowing the organ to be transplanted?
because
I
transplants
completely
We are
have
agree with
not
you.
against
complications.
organ donation.
there
Transplants have
there are conditions
complications.
when transplants can not be successful also. So why to hurt somebody?
I
Yes,
would like to
and dead
mention that
bodies.
But somebody
our
body
values have to match
die
for
with
an
lungs and kidneys.
organ transplantation. It's not very easy to transplant an organ,
You say
but
that
it is upon the person who want
But
that
I
if
would
he
like to add
wants
that
to transplant his
60%
organ.
of the donated eyes go waste. They can't be transplanted in other person. What
yeah,
about
yeah. That's
But
why
what
it
about
should
the
not
let
be
me
remaining
made
speak.
40%?
I
compulsory.
want to repeat
That's
my
why it should
point
not be made
to
compulsory. If
this.
what
someone
Donation
about
is
wants
that
to donate
considered
his
only
organ,
when the
either he
patient
should
has
take it
died.
or they don't want to take it.
I completely
You
agree
say
with
that
you because
60%, but what about the 40%?
but what
40%
and
about
the
the
people
eyes that have gone
Exactly,
can
exactly.
you
waste?
feel the difference
Dead
between the
bodies don't
person
need to die with lungs and kidneys, and they can be donated for the betterment of others.
I
And I would
So
completely
like
why
to
do
agree
we
with
add
have
that
you
Yes,
as
they
our
should
body,
be
95% of the
donated for the
transplant is
betterment of
also
others.
correct.
our body is not
organ
does not
donation
readily
after death
accept
is
any foreign
kind of
element.
least understand, but it before it was not. As my friend told that 60% of eyes donated will go waste. What about those who just donated it? Just think about
I
them
completely
that
agree with you.
Yeah,
they donated for
I'm
money.
But
telling
we
you
are
They
that
not
didn't
the
saying.
think
I would
donation
like
is
to add that
considered
but we
only
are
90%
when
of
not
the
the
saying to
person is
donate
dead.
the
population.
organs when we
But
were
if it
alive.
is made
We
a
say that to
compulsion,
donate after death.
But
but if it
I
is made
completely agree
Yeah,
with
compulsion,
it's
you.
made
oversupply
Let
may
compulsory that
result in
to
the
donate
donation of
after
point
death.
organs.
is the point is that
Yes,
organ donation should be made compulsory. It is not about living organ donation or after death organ donation.
it is
I would
after
like to
death.
yes,
add
Yeah,
I
we
that
are
completely
talking.
agree.
It's
It is
our body
after
does
after
death
not
death.
only.
readily
Mine is
accept
not
any
after
foreign
death.
element,
Can you guarantee that
and it
after
can be
organ
forever
donation,
painful.
can you guarantee that after organ donation, the organ will
Dead
go to
bodies do not
a
feel
needy
pain.
person, but
Who
not to a
is
trade
responsible?
person?
Who will be
That it
held
will not.
responsible if the transplant fails? Where
And
the
even
possibility of
Why
it is
should
very
think
high.
about only about the negative
and
side? We
even
can
if it
think
is
about the
made a
positive side
Then
compulsion,
too.
why should only think about But the what about the positive side? fact if the organization is successful, a
The
person can get a
family
life?
And
yes,
what about
but
the
getting the
Same way,
organ
we're
is
if the
possible
society
for
discussing.
the
only think that it
family
Or
will be
person
and
get to
unsuccessful.
know that
exactly?
organ he is donating is going to a needy person, but not to a trade one, because
Yeah, that's why I
nowadays,
completely agree with my
We
friend.
But
should we
because
these
should
nowadays trading is also
these
increasing, and people
transplantations
trade.
are these transplantations are very expensive. Only rich can afford that. Poor will still be the losers.
I
and we should
When
completely
not
I
agree with
think
force
it
you.
is
we
made
should not force
compulsory,
anything
surplus
on
of
people, but
organs can be
it is
made
kind
to
of
research
charity.
purposes.
It's something that is vital in our
Yeah,
society.
I
yeah,
I
think
but
we
due
are
completely
to
here
disagree with
organ
you
discussing
because
on
scarcity,
at the
whether the
starting of a
kidnappings,
person or his life in I completely
see,
disagree. As you
that
have
is a
said,
highly
60
compatible decreased donor was available as well as so many willing living donors, including family members, is a reflection that something makes Spain a successful organ donor. not every country can be like Spain, and if we want
not
India to be
every
like Spain,
and
it is
not
not.
every person can be
No,
a
it
donor.
is how can you say that it is not possible in India for people to themselves donate
Can
the
you ask
organs?
someone? Can you ask here? Even the family members will say that they will not give they will not give donors. They will not
And
be
we
the donors,
cannot
and they will
force
not
anything
give
on
organs.
people. It is a democratic country, and we
Country.
have the right to take the decision whether we want to donate an organ or not. A person
But there
has
are
the
some
right to
laws in the
decide
democracy
whether
that
But it is
everyone has
due
to
to
follow.
the.
Not everything can be in democracy. Every
Then
law,
it
law has
cannot
to
be
be
said
followed.
that it is
Excuse me, the
organ
organs are of the
donation.
person, not of the country.
Yes, exactly.
Then
And
can you tell me a single use after death of these organs? Can you tell me a single use?
We are
it is
not talking
Can
belief.
after that,
I
but we are talking
completely
before
agree.
that,
We
when
should
the
respect
person is in
people's
coma or
sentiments.
person.
Exactly. What about the sentiments of the people? It can be such an insensitive
But only
action for
we
them.
think about the
Our
sentiments. What
sentiments,
about the other's life?
but our
Exactly. It
sentiments.
should
So
be a
are you
voluntary
saying that
action.
someone's life
It
sentiments
should
are
be
not
voluntary. It should
important.
depend
I
upon
think that
them.
discussing
If
about
we
the sentiments
consider
is
only
only
about
right
the
as
sentiments,
people are
what are
Do
going
you
to be the
think?
life
No,
of
no,
this
no,
Do
no.
you
world?
We are not
think
going
that
to bring
sentiments
only
are
about
more
the
important than
sentiments.
someone's
It
life?
should be a voluntary action.
That they
Yeah, I
can
completely
that
Yes.
organs to save
Yes,
someone's
I
life are
completely agree with my
oversupply may
friend.
result in the wastage of some organs.
Yes, exactly. It should be voluntarily, not compulsory. And here we are
we should
not
not
deliberating whether
Because
organ
because
donation
the
should be
increase
there or
It
not.
should
We are
make compulsory
discussing
Yes,
after
yes.
that
death.
whether it should be made compulsion or not. It should not be made a compulsion
because
because
if
In
it will
if
be
case
made
of
a
death, it should
everybody
not
compulsion,
be
will
then
made a
keep
the
on
organ
donating
compulsion.
the
will
Do
organs,
you
will
then
not
agree
have
that
the
Making
organ
it
donation
compulsion
should
would also
be there,
decreases
but
the
it should not be
demerits of the
compulsory?
organ
When
donation.
a
You say
person
due to people's sentiment, we should not make organ donation compulsory. Do you think that sentiments of people are more important than the someone life?
they
If
are
one
because
person
don't you
can
think
save,
sentiments are
it
important?
is not someone's duty to save others' life. It's just a
It is
choice
not.
to save others' life.
Exactly.
Yes,
It is up
it's
to people that
And it's not
after death,
only that if you
it is
give
it
someone,
is
they
up
will
to
receive it.
people that after death they want to donate an organ or not. They want to be
Like in
an
China,
organ
they have
donor or
completely
not. How can you
banned
say
this
that after
concept.
After
death
death,
it is
what the people
compulsory?
want to do with these organs?
I completely
We
agree
yes.
can
with you.
donate it
It
to
is not the
needy.
sentiments,
Maybe
it is greed.
maybe the
to
person
It
does
is the
not want
greed.
to give away the organs when he or she dies.
Is this
And
not the greed
even
of the person? Is this not the greed of the person to not give his
It's
organs
not
to the
greed,
needy?
it's his personal choice. It's not his greed, it's his personal
It's
choice.
So
just the
it's
He
greed
does
of the
considered
not
as a
want
person.
to
greed
donate an
only.
organ. Who
If
are
it
you to
made
stop
the
him?
compulsory,
in India,
People give
India
their
has
organs
such a
for
large
free
population,
without
and
any
each day
price.
lakhs of death happens in India. Do you think India has such an infrastructure where we can store the organs properly?
if the
We have
organ donation,
And
we are
Yes, India has the
systematically
there
government
will
middle
be.
income
forward
nation.
India
donating
has
organs.
the organ donation centers.
That if there is a will, there is a way. If we'll try, there can be center for organs also.
I
For
completely agree with you.
not
And as in the
everybody
start,
would
my
deny
friend
it.
has
Surely
stated the
some
wrong
people.
fact. Let me correct it. That
Yes, yes. Vanshika, you
5 lakh
just
people
give
die, and it is not 0.8% donors. It is 0.08% donors. The countries in the world which have curbed this problem are Singapore, Belgium, and Spain, and all of them had an aggressive approach towards it. And organ donation will also
and even in those
will also
countries,
result.
it,
And in
the
many
organ
countries,
donation is
illegal
not a
human
compulsion.
organ trafficking
It is
is
a compulsion, and
society
it
has
will also
No,
lead to
only
crime
20
rate
to
It
decreases.
is a
30% people
compulsion
donate.
that the donation should made
compulsory.
compulsory after the death.
It will
society have
also
given us so much,
result
so
in
it is
the
our
decrease of crime
responsibility
rate.
to give back
organ
something to
trafficking
society.
in almost every country.
Yes,
Some poor
we
people
do
are selling
agree.
organs.
We do
All
agree
these
we
things
should
are
give back to
consequences
the
of
people.
organ shortage.
If it made compulsory, the surplus of organs can be made for the research purposes also.
See,
And it also results in decrease
It
in the
will
crime
also
rate.
reduce.
It depends on the
Every
person.
It
That
will
Do you
also
they
think
reduce
want
the
that
to
crime
give
rate.
researches
life
are more
or
important than
they want to
people's
take it.
Sentiments are more
sentiments?
important than the
We
people's
should
sentiments.
every
always remember that
person
this
requires different
organ which
immunity.
we are talking
One's
about right now,
antibodies, if they are put in others body, may not work. Every
Yes,
person
Yes,
the
requires
proper
different
matching of the
immunity.
I
organ is done
totally
before the
agree with
surgery.
you. Organ matching of the
But the
organ is
doctors
really
do
right.
not
Completely
do
agree.
not provide you with the
Also,
detailed
They don't want
information. They do not
No, the
provide you
doctors
with the
provide you with the exact information. They
they do
match the
not
donors.
they do
This is the
provide you the
problem. The
exact
demand and
information.
supply gap. Let me complete my point. My friend. In India, there is every year 2 lakh kidneys are required, but only 3% is met, and only 7,000 people can afford treatment because it is so costly. If every person would come forward for their kidney donation, the price would go much less, and the matching of the donor can be done easily. It will also result to the decrease in crime rate. Every year, several people are kidnapped. Many of them organs are taken out from their body and sold in the markets.
And you right
But
now said
at
that
the
only
end,
rich
the body
can
of
afford the
president
treatment, and then you next said that the poor are kidnapped
He
and
says this
their
because
organs
if
are
we
taken.
take
You
the
yourself
organs,
answered the question.
then there will be no shortage of that.
My friend, can you please repeat your point?
Yeah.
My friend said that only the rich can afford the treatment, and then then he said that people are kidnapped and the poor people
Yeah,
people
he
are
said
kidnapped,
this
their
because
organs are
the people
taken.
are kidnapped
No
for
matter
organs.
how
This is
many
due to the
people-
shortage of the organ
Yeah, if
donation.
there will be
Yes, Kapil,
no
we agree
There
shortage
will
of
be
upon
no
it.
organs,
shortage. There will be no
There's still
kidnapping.
going to be
Human trafficking is happening for organs, so why should dead people's organs not be donated? If people who are living and have to live a life are being kidnapped and human trafficking is done to them.
Yes,
But the
I
body of
completely
the
agree with
recipient
I
is
raise
linked
the
to
same question
organ of the
again.
donor.
I raise the same question again. Why do compare the organ donation with organ trafficking?
they both are
because
different points. Organ donation is different and organ trafficking is different.
and as you
Organ
have said
trafficking is
that most of
compared
the
with the
transplant
organ
is failure,
donation, as many of our
95%
friends
of the
speaking this.
transplant are successful.
If the organization
According to
will be
WHO,
Yes.
around
there
2,000
will
people
be
But
are sell their kidney
why
every
don't
year.
you
Still
understand? Why don't you understand that transplants have complications, and our body
95% of the
our body
transplant.
does. Wait, let me complete my point. Our body does not readily accept any foreign element. Also, it gives a forever pain. For example, if
Upper,
we get a kneecap transplant, then it takes a lifetime for the person to live with that kneecap and to adjust with it, and it takes a whole lot of years. What about this?
let me speak. As you have said that it is a pain, is it more painful than the death? Is the transplant more painful than the death? Can you answer my
But
question?
see, when the transplant is done, it gives you a minute. It gives you a limited lifespan for future. That
Yes,
you will
but
be
it is
able to.
better than no
That
life.
you.
It is better
That
than
you
no
will be
life.
able. Let me complete.
Brinda, hold your mic.
That you will be able to live for the. That you will be able to live for the next 5 to 10 years or whatever the time period is. But what is the use of living for the next these years with so many complications when you're not able to adjust, and also the stress and anxiety that comes to the person that he has gone under a transplant and may die soon? Still, it will
Are
be
you
in
trying to say? Are you trying to say that that is a better option than living for 5 to 10 years? Are you trying to just say that?
death. It is a better option than living with complications, so many complications.
How can you say that it is a better option than complication when one will be able to see the world, to
When
put
a
a smile in the face, life in
and
the death?
So you mean that the person with complications will
The
die?
first donor in the world. That was hereditary
Everybody in the
donated.
world have
many
some
treatments are
complications.
present. Many treatments are there which
All
can.
have complications, so they
First
will
donor
die.
in India, first donor in the whole world in 1954, and the one he
All right. Now listen to me very carefully. We have exceeded the time limit because in 20 minutes we should learn to fight with our rivals, opponents. Now, Betaji, it was a beautiful GD. Beautiful GD. Now, please, right, give a beautiful conclusion.
After listening to all my friends, I would like to include that organ donation is not something that we should force on people, but encouraging an attitude of charity is something that is vital in our society. And even if it is enforced, then too people should have the right to opt out. Thank you.